Zhuang HELPER Food Machinery Company Limited, established in 2002, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research and development, production, sale, and service of filling machine, clipping machine, bowl cutter, meat grinder, mixing machine, saline inject, or flaker and grinder integration machine, vacuum tumbler, vacuum dough mixer, noodle production line, dumpling making machine, pet food production line. Located in ancient city of Zhengding with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of professional production equipment, which greatly improving the production capacity. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001 Quality System Certificate, CE certificate. We believe that all products must meet the international quality standards. Therefore, we focus on purchasing quality materials and ensuring strict internal process control. And our professional inspectors to ensure the products delivered to customers and are perfect. Our company insists on the policy that customer is the supreme prestige promised, quality guaranteed, professional service. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China. Our products are also exported to clients in many different countries and regions, including North America, South America, Europe, Asia, and Africa. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. If you have any interest in our products, welcome to visit our company. We are anticipating for your visiting.